In today's video, I'll show you how to embed HTML code in Constant Contact to create fully customized emails. Start by creating a new email campaign from your dashboard and choose email as the campaign type. Then select Build with HTML to open the HTML editor. Give your campaign a name for easy tracking and click Advanced Editor to access the full HTML interface. Delete any default code and paste your HTML directly into the editor. Use the live preview to see how your email looks in real time and fix any errors before sending. Next, update your email settings, including the subject line from name and reply to address to match your branding. Finally, save your email, send a test to check formatting, and select the contact list to send it to. With these steps, your HTML powerful email is ready to engage your audience with a professional custom design.